What are 5 tips to help you stay on track for your diet? Check these out. Tip number 1. All right, so it's my favorite. It is meal prepping, which I know can be a drag. It can be exhausting, but listen, it is super important. As human beings, we need to create a path of least resistance, especially at first because it maybe hasn't been established as just a habit, something that we do. So we need to make it as easy as possible. And it is way too hard if you show up and you are kind of left to your own devices as far as going and grabbing some food at Taco Bell, McDonald's. That was always the hardest part for me. So every Sunday I meal prep. I figure out what I'm going to eat. I change it up. You can bake a whole bunch of chicken. You can mess and adjust the sides. Same thing with the breakfast. You can adjust the different kind of carbohydrates you're going to be throwing in there. But you eliminate the guesswork. And when you just have what you have, you bring it with you. I have like a 6-pack bag. You can bring like a lunch pill, whatever. You eliminate the whole guessing. And I'm telling you now, that's the biggest thing. So you just want to have it already made for you. Is it boring? Sure, but I'll tell you what also, you're going to be a lot more productive because you're not driving around trying to figure out where to eat. It is unfortunate that it's not as social because I understand going out and grabbing lunch is a nice little social thing, but if you're really wanting to take this seriously, meal prep. Get a 6-pack bag and every Sunday just load up. It'll take about an hour or two, but it primes your week.